Hey guys, it's Amber. I wanted to do a little quick unboxing video for you, and I'm also playing around with my new photo mount or video mount for my camera. So this is a good way to test how that's working out and to do a little unboxing. So my friend Meg at Travel, Eat, Sleep, Repeat, I think her full name is on Instagram, was telling me about Lora Bailora's new travel line. I've never ordered from her before. I've seen her stuff online, but I decided to invest in the new travel products. So I haven't actually opened this yet, past like just seeing that it was okay this ripped in transit. So I haven't even looked inside. But I ordered mostly all travel things, and while I was on her site, I think I ordered a few extra pieces that might have been like on sale or something. So So I decided, you know, since I was going to invest in the money to pay to ship it, I might as well splurge on buying stuff. So this was a vellum with gold, and I love that it had hello in many different languages. So even though it's from their Hello, and which is a baby line, I thought that would be great for travel. So I got one sheet of that. I should have got multiples, but I didn't. The LaLa Land is their new travel line, so this is super cute. It has all these different hotel keys, and then it's got gold foil. Hopefully you can see that without too much glare. It's hard to show things sometimes. This is I did get two of this one, the map pattern in gold on vellum. This is probably hard to see. I have some paper here, and these are houses on acetate, and there's like, I guess this flowers, there's different leaves and stuff, so that's really cute. That's from the LaLa Land. And we also have another baby line. This one was just suns and moons and stars, so I thought that was cute. We have some great specialty papers. So then I also bought the 12x12 paper pack, and she had options where you could either buy it double-sided or you could buy the 24 sheets, 2 of everything individually, which I thought was a great way to offer it. I prefer to have single-sided sheets. I hate trying to decide between designs. So this is like homes, taxis, people in parks. This is kind of like a camera shutter design. Actually, it looks like just polka dots or sequins, but kind of has a cool look. People walking around with baby carriages and dogs, looking on their phones. It's really cute. Green grass. This is like a terrazzo kind of pattern, a leathery kind of pattern, a really pretty tile, park bench, a lamppost, and a tree repeated. I've got lemons and limes. There's also like a light grid in there too. Kind of like some fun hash marks. This is that same hotel print with all the different keys. This is like tile. Like a very old newspaper kind of print. Like a subway map. Roadway kind of designs. Wine and different cocktails and drinks. This says the city repeated over and over again. Little taxis. I guess there's 24 individual prints here. Never mind. I thought there were 12 repeated. Different clothes, backpacks, purses that you take on vacation. Tan map print. Different sodas. This is really cute because it's like Diet Coke, Coke, Sprite. That's adorable. A really cool yellow print. Black and white tag print. And then these are different geotags with Spanish sayings inside, like in the city, I am here, I'm gonna eat here, at the top. And I'm not sure exactly what else they say, but that's really cute. And that's everything. So let me dive into the embellishments. So these were vellum pieces. A lot of it is in another language, but that's kind of fun when you're doing international travel, like I like to do. And some of these are like full tickets, like you get at like a meat counter. And then some of them also had just plain words. So I thought that the tickets were neat. You don't see that in normal scrapbook products in the US. And they do say different things, like at the store. I need to bone up on my Spanish and other languages here because I don't know exactly what they all say. But I just thought that those were neat. But then there's also words like click and my city. Yeah, I really need to bone up on my Spanish. After work. It's like a fantasy. The must go with some. Oh, the city. There we go. I was gonna say that must go with something. The city. Lots of little hearts. Like something in tapas. So anyway, I just thought it was really unique and cute, and it wasn't very expensive. So I grabbed those. And lots of little fun vellum hearts in there too. They're a good size. And it has like 44 pieces. This is like a promotion card. It's got those little sodas on it, so darling. Little puffy stickers, hearts and stars from the LaLa Land. Even the packaging has gold foil. How cool is that? Let's see. Just kind of want to see all of it here first. I got foam stickers of cameras and different sayings and geotags, frames, so those are cute. And this is like a unique size too. This is like 6 by 9.5, so really long. Then we've got not one, but I bought 2 sheets of these geotags, obviously, because 1, you can't have enough geotags, and 2, they're such great colors. So it's like a matte puffy sticker, tons on there. I got, this is from a different collection called Mediterranean. That was geotags, cameras, and hearts, and arrows in chipboard. And I thought that was really perfect. I think that might have been on sale. Can't remember. She has some great city stamps, and while I wanted to buy all of them, I decided to get the Rome one, the Roma. So she's got a couple little buildings. And then the names are handwritten, which is so cool, and that's why I think I got it. Like, but we've got Gelato, Fontana dei Trevi, Basilica di San Pietro, the Sistine Chapel, but in Italian, Dolce Vita, the Vatican City, the Vatican City, Castel St. Angelo. Just so great. Like, there's some really like Piazza Navona, the Pantheon, Calcio, like even what the coins look like. So, or I think this is also Piazza de Popolo. So just a really great, there's carbonara, a little pasta. It's just so great, because it's just so detailed, and I really love that. And then finally, this was also from the Hello collection. This was 20 pieces of acetate nimbers, and they look like they're probably about 4 inches tall, but they kind of look like they might match her travel line, and you always need nimbers. So I also grabbed a set of those because they had some nice bright fun colors, and I would definitely use these for travel, especially since there's so many. You could get at least, like, if you're like, I like to number my days, so if I wanted to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I could get at least 2 weeks out of it, which is pretty great. So really happy with all the product I got and the quality of the packaging, considering it had to ship internationally. I ordered these on May 18th, pretty sure, the day I was leaving for a trip, and they arrived May 30th. So 12 days for international shipping. Not bad at all. So just wanted to share in case you were not familiar with it. I will try to share links for everything that I got. And again, a little fun shout out to my friend Meg, who told me I needed to buy it. She literally sent me a picture of the geotags and was like, you probably need to buy this. And sorry I'm enabling you. So anyway, have fun, and I will see you soon for the next video. Thanks so much. Bye for now.